If you work remote like I do, okay, you're stuck between two places. One is you want to enjoy the scenery because that's why you do the remote work. And on the other side, you want to keep being productive. You want to keep doing your job to serve either your customers or your boss or whatever passion it is that brought you in to do the remote work thing. If you want to do your job well and you want to offer a meaningful experience to the people you work with, like to not distract them with whatever surroundings you're in, you might have encountered the need for today's topic, noise canceling. So for that purpose, in today's video, I have these bad boys. The Jabra ENC60. By the way, these are called Jabra Evolve 30 as well. And in this video, we're going to look at just how good these bad boys are for remote workers and for people who work in an office, in a tight space, and you have people all around you, like in customer service or in sales. It says here in my notes that I have to do an unboxing. No unboxing. I've had these boys for 4 years now. Matter of fact, if you go back to some of my older videos, I used to use these in the videos. Okay, the next topic is going to be the design. Well, it's not the Ferrari of cars. You know, it's more like a Toyota, if you will, or a Nissan, maybe, even better. They have a good build. It's a nice car, well, headphones, and they're efficient. They fit nice, and you can adjust, you know, for how large your head is. Mine is really big. And they're really comfy, and they have this mic that drops, and it's super, if you ask me. Nobody can hear anything if it's up. If it's down, then you can hear very well. But what I like most about these is this smushy, mushy, whooshy part that just goes on your ear, and it's very mushy and squishy and feels really nice, very soft. And it's especially comforting. Okay, tech specifications. You know what? I'm just going to put a screenshot or two of the tech specifications, and you can stop the video and look at them if you're very interested in these. I can also put a link to the description of the tech specs if you are that interested in them. I'm not that interested in the tech specs, to be honest. I only care if it solved the problem I have, which is running calls with clients and offering them a meaningful experience while I'm traveling the world and working remote. And that's it. Anything else is a bonus on top. Okay, now comes the really juicy part about the microphone noise removal. Now, because I work remote, this noise technology is crucial. But enough chit chat, let's actually just put this to the test. So I'm going to go outside. I'm going to test with regular headphones that I used to listen to music to. I'm going to test it with the microphone from my laptop, and then we're going to do a test with the Jabra. But before we continue with the testing, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'd be really grateful, and it would be really, really helpful. Onwards. Okay, first take is just using the regular laptop microphone and just leaving the sound open. And you know, this is a nightmare for the receiving end, and especially for the people around. You know, if somebody were to speak, the speakers of the laptop would annoy everybody. Okay, so I don't know how this is for calls, but doesn't sound amazingly good. Would be very annoying, to be honest. I wouldn't want to take part in this call. All right, let's now switch to Sennheiser. I'm going to show the model on the screen, because it doesn't come to me. It's a Sennheiser, and I've had these for like 4 years, and I use them for listening to music. They're in-ear technology, and they isolate the sound for me personally, so I don't get distracted by things around me. But this microphone doesn't do such a great job in isolating, you know, sounds from coming from around. If you look back at some of my videos, you'll see that I have been using this exact microphone to record some of the videos, and you know, the quality isn't all that great. Okay, so now the test we've all been waiting for, using the Jabra Evolve 30 with the noise cancelling built in. So yeah, the surroundings haven't changed much. It's just that I've changed the headphones, and yeah, hopefully this makes a difference. I tried this test of clapping hands to see if it actually, you know, is being isolated, and it does do a good job in isolating them. Look, there's a car passing by now. It doesn't eliminate it completely, but you know, it still shows you what a good job it does. Now you've heard the difference in sounds for yourself. So for me personally, option number 1 and 2 are terrible for the customer experience, quite frankly. You can't really focus on the meeting because, you know, get distracted by everyone else. We're going to talk a bit about the sound quality. The sound quality for calls is great. The sound is crisp, you can hear it very well, and I cannot complain about this. I can also listen to music. They have not been designed for this purpose. It's not a technology for you to go into the studio and start producing some beats.
Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed.
No, the call quality is great, and it's amazing. For me, it is amazing. The noise canceling is the best. I cannot express how much my life has improved since I've had this technology. Okay, next topic is going to be to talk about connectivity and compatibility. Now, as far as connectivity, the headphones have a USB, and they also have this small jack. Newsflash and disclaimer, there's definitely no Bluetooth connectivity, and I am thrilled by that. Do you know how many times I log into calls in Zoom or whatever, and people that use Bluetooth technology are always like, can you hear? It happens 7 out of 10 times. So 70% of times, people with Bluetooth stuff have connectivity issues and they don't work. Now, some disadvantages, well, I can't. Okay, so, 8 out of 10 times, because I like statistics, 8 out of 10 times, this cable annoys the fuck out of me. The compatibility thing, I have to have an adapter for my Mac. Nah, whatever. As a conclusion, I highly recommend these. They're great. If you want me to review your product, if it fits with my needs and, with my value system, then I will happily do it. So reach out. There's a link in the description. There's an email, and you can go from there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.